In this video, you will learn how to pronounce different vocabulary words. This is my third lecture on vocabulary practice. You can watch my previous lectures too. Scarce means deficient in quantity or number compared with the demand. Example: meanwhile, heating oil could grow more scarce in the Northeast this winter, the Energy Department warned last month. Policy means a plan of action adopted by an individual or social group. Example: inflation has lagged behind the central bank's 2% target, giving policymakers extra scope to cut rates. Straight means successive without a break. Example: after 3 straight losing seasons, Hoosiers fans were just hoping for a winning record. Stock means capital raised by a corporation through the issue of shares. Example: in other words, Apple's stock is cheap and you should buy it. Parent means clearly revealed to the mind or the senses or judgment. Example: but the elderly creak is beginning to become apparent in McCartney's voice. Engage means consume all of one's attention or time. Example: owing to these magic properties, it was often planted near dwellings to keep away evil spirits. Fancy means imagine, conceive of, see in one's mind. Example: for a time, indeed, he had fancied that things were changed. Concept means an abstract or general idea inferred from specific instances. Example: as a psychologist, I have always found the concept of speed dating fascinating. For means an assembly to conduct judicial business. Example: when Brown pleaded not guilty to assaulting Rihanna, their violent past came out in court. Thanks for watching. Keep watching my all videos to learn more vocabulary words.